Welcome back to this new video. In this video we are going to talk about the principles of resource allocation. Allocating resources, well, we look at the people, availability and competencies. Then we consider the principles to follow. What is about people, availability and competencies? To complete activities, human and material resources and equipment must be allocated. It's not sufficient to allocate people, we also must provide the means to complete the activities or the tasks. A pilot cannot fly from one place to another without having an airplane and a certification. A mason cannot build a wall without bricks, mortars and tools, and many other examples are applicable. To complete the activities, the resources must be available and compliant with the conditions, regulations and standards. What principles do we have to follow? For human resources, the people must have the necessary qualifications like experience, degrees, certificate and other specific necessities. For material resources, we must find materials that can be used to complete the work. They are typically described in the statement of work. For example, we may need central heating elements to be installed in a building. There may be different items that we have to add. We may have to add the technical specifications of the materials. It's very important to understand what type of materials we need for the implementation, for the creation of the deliverables. The equipment, here we must also select the proper equipment because the equipment will be used to create the deliverables. The selection of the equipment has an effect on completion and cost. So when we have more sophisticated equipment, we will pay more. There may be also an effect that the work may be done faster. So we have to understand what is the equipment that we're using. Also, using a different type of equipment may have an effect on human resources to work with the equipment and eventually the material resources that we will be using. All these things may be linked or are linked in certain ways, and we have to see that we have the optimal combination. So that's it about the principles of allocating resources. That was it for this video. I'm looking forward to seeing you in our next videos. Thank you and bye-bye.